Hi guys, so I just decided to do this little video, this short video, just to do a little bit of explanation for those people who probably would have gone to the distributors and they asked for blueberry mix and they were offered berries, but instead they refuse it and they're like, oh, it's not the same thing, so I don't want it. Now I just want to make a little explanation for you. Blueberry mix and berries are just the same tea. Now I'll just zoom closer so you guys can see better. Now you can see in blueberry mix we have cranberry, we have karaoke flower, we have blueberries, we have currants, we have blackberries, we have elderberry, we have concrete grape, and then we have natural flavor. And then when you go directly to berries, you have the same thing, which is cranberry, karaoke flower, currant, grape, blueberry, elderberry, and currant. So with also natural flavor. So you see that it's just the same thing. So should in case you ask the distributor for blueberry mix and you're offered berries, just please accept it because it just work the same thing and it's just together, not minding the pictures. All right, so I hope this little explanation would be okay.